Friends, welcome back to new video. I hope you all are fine. Today I am going to tell you about Ratan Tata. When Ratan Tata launched his dream car Tata Indica in the market, his response was very low. He go to US for the meeting with Ford. Ford insult them and say, "You don't understand the car business. Why you spend so much money for launching of the car?" And hurting them and says, "We are doing favor by buying this company." Tata refused to sell the company, come back to the India and do hard work for that company, and now that company stand his own feet and brought two luxurious brands, Jaguar and Land Rover. Friends, incident happened everyone, but great people took advantage of that insult with their progress. If you like this information, please like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share with as many people as possible. Thank you.